Hello and welcome to Bank to Binary's Ahead of the Week report, bringing you all the important trading and market events for the 26th to the 30th of May. Don't forget that all times stated at Greenwich Mean Time. Starting with Monday the 26th of May, the US markets are closed due to a public holiday, so with no other tradable events of note, we move to Tuesday. On Tuesday, it's over to the US for consumer confidence data. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index declined slightly in April as consumers assess business and labour market conditions less favourably than in March. Although the index now stands at 82.3, down from 83.9, consumers still see the economy building on the momentum that has been accelerating recently. The improving labour market should also positively impact on sentiment, so we anticipate a positive reading for May, which may present put opportunities on the Euro-USD. On Wednesday, we crossed to Europe's powerhouse, Germany, for the latest unemployment change figures. German unemployment fell more than twice as much as forecast in April, a sign that Europe's largest economy will continue to lead the recovery in the Eurozone. The number of people out of work in Germany decreased for the fifth month in a row, highlighting an upward trend in the labour market and prompting Bank to Binary analysts to look at call opportunities on the euro-dollar. Moving on to Thursday, and it's back to the US for the latest unemployment claims data. Jobless claims recently fell to the lowest level since 2007, but last week showed an increase to 326,000, indicating that the US job market may take more time to show a sustained acceleration. Pending home sales data is also expected today. After a surprise jump last month, analysts believe the downward trend has run its course. This month, therefore, we could be looking at positive data which will open up call opportunities on the Euro-USD. And so to Friday, we end the week in Canada for the latest GDP figures. Real gross domestic product grew 0.2% in February. As the effects of the severe weather impacted into March, analysts predict that figures may be the same or slightly below February's, with a rebound not expected until the second quarter. However, the Bank of Canada's overall outlook is positive and has forecast overall nationwide growth of 2.3% in 2014, rising to 2.5% in 2015. This highlights an upward trend which, if reflected in Friday's figures, will create possible call opportunities on the USD CAD. That concludes our roundup of the key trading events for the 26th to the 30th of May 2014. Keep watching for all next week's key trading events, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for instant access to all Bank to Binary's market news and analysis. Thanks for watching Ahead of the Week. Until next week, goodbye.